Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with colleges across the state to support the education of high-performance, high-skilled workforce needed in Florida's manufacturing sector from the Panhandle to the Keys. In this video, we are highlighting Lake Sumter State College. Centrally located between multiple industry hotbeds, Lake Sumter State College is on the cutting edge of industry technology education. Let's hear more on what a student can expect.
I'm Dr. Sumati Hariharan. I'm instructor at Lake Sumter State College, and I teach most of the courses in engineering and technology specialization. For me, automation, I would say it's the mother for AI. We are living in the world of automation, and very recently we have been going through a lot in a positive way, I would say, with artificial intelligence. And we provide lots of hands-on activity to see how PLC would help in a given industrial setup. So our students, they learn a lot with respect to automation and manufacturing process. The first thing that excites me is seeing my students getting excited.
The future is now. Are you ready? Automation and AI is transforming every industry, but behind every smart system, there's a smarter person who understands how it works. That person could be you. Take the first step towards a career that matters, where these skills aren't just relevant, but in high demand. To get started, enroll in an engineering technology program near you, or visit flate.org to learn more about these exciting opportunities. Thank you for joining us today.